can't seem to get past all this rust as far as leaving it alone and then going ahead and putting the bed back on it. I'm not ready to do that yet. I really want to clean this up. So that's what I'm going to do today. Not going to cut the bed today. We're going to go ahead and clean this up and get it ready for the bed. And then I'll start cutting the bed, and I'll do I guess part 3 of that one before I get to that. But I want to kind of show the before all this ugly surface rust. I'm just going to get a Scotch-Brite pad and rub it down with some soap and water and hope to get most of this off. I know they make that rust converter. I might use that. I just want to knock off most of this, because if you look, let's see, get my hand in the picture here. If I just do this, you see how a lot of it comes off. I just want to knock most of that off. If I can knock that off, I think I can have a nice frame under there, because I don't plan on getting under the truck much after I put the bed on it. Well, as far as in this area, right, in this so-called area, I don't want to get I know I'm not going to be able to get access to this top half, so I want to clean this up as much as I can. I might even get the wheel out and make myself all dirty and dusty for today. So that's the plan for today. I'll provide an update. Scrubbed it down with some, got the scrubbed it down with soap and water. I used the disc on it to knock off most of the rust. It did come out much better. Got as much as I could off. Now I'll be satisfied to basically put a coat of paint on it to preserve it, and get to doing the next part. Alright, much better. Put some paint on it. Now I feel better putting the bed on it. Looks a whole lot better than it did. At least now it should last a few more years. Get a good picture of the truck. Yay! It's a short in the bed. Alright. It's a little warm today, so sorry for the heavy breathing. Hope I'm not creeping you guys out. But here's the bed. So this is the rear half. The rear I took out 8 inches, and then the front took out a foot. It's kind of overlapping a bit. I just kind of set it there. There, you see it there. Anyway, just sitting there. So next would be to clean these ends up, get them welded together, and that's my floor. And then next step would be getting the bed sides, which I have right there.